Welcome to Invest Insight. Today, we're exploring an unusual yet potentially highly lucrative business venture, silkworm farming or sericulture. While it might seem like a niche or old-world industry, modern sericulture offers a fascinating and profitable opportunity for entrepreneurs in developed nations, from the United States to Australia. We'll delve into why cocoon production is a hidden gem for investors and how you can get involved. Why silkworms? The global demand. The primary product of a silkworm farm is, of course, silk cocoons. The global demand for raw silk remains consistently strong, driven by the luxury fashion industry, high-end home furnishings, and even the biomedical sector, where silk is used for sutures and other medical applications. The global silk market size is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 7.2% by 2032, indicating a robust and expanding market for quality cocoons. There's a growing demand for locally sourced, high-quality, and ethically produced silk in developed Western markets. Low startup costs, high returns. One of the most attractive aspects of sericulture is the relatively low initial investment. You don't need vast tracts of land or expensive machinery to start. A dedicated mulberry garden is the foundational investment, and some basic rearing equipment are the primary prerequisites. The return on investment can be significant. Silkworms have a short life cycle, about 28 days from egg to cocoon. This rapid turnover means you can have multiple production cycles throughout the year, accelerating your revenue stream. The selling price of raw cocoons varies, but premium, high-grade cocoons can fetch substantial prices per kilogram, especially when marketing to boutique suppliers or specialty buyers in Europe or North America. The life cycle and rearing process. Understanding the process is key to success. Hatching. Eggs hatch into tiny larvae, which immediately require a constant supply of fresh mulberry leaves. Growth. This is the labor-intensive phase, lasting about 3 to 4 weeks. The worms eat voraciously and grow rapidly, shedding their skin multiple times. Cocooning. Once mature, the worms spin their cocoons over several days. This is the harvestable product. Harvest and sale. Cocoons are then typically heated to preserve the silk filament inside, ready for sale to silk reeling units. Challenges and considerations. Like any business, silkworm farming has its challenges. Silkworms feed exclusively on mulberry leaves. The most critical factor is the uninterrupted supply of mulberry leaves. It takes about half a year for young plants to be ready for the first harvest. Disease risk. Silkworms are susceptible to diseases, so maintaining a clean, controlled environment with proper temperature and humidity is vital for a successful yield. A niche market with global reach. The future of silkworm farming is bright for those who focus on niche, high-quality production. By emphasizing sustainable, ethical practices, farms in developed nations can command a premium price and tap into a market eager for alternatives to mass-produced silk. For those looking for an unconventional investment with strong potential, the humble silkworm might just be the key to a lucrative new venture. Join us next time on Invest Insight as we explore another unique investment opportunity.